Hi, I'm Blair with Revit Auto, and in this video we'll be showing you how to replace your key fob battery for your traditional Chevy key fob. You want to pick up a 2032 battery, which you can get at CVS, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, any of those guys. Now what you want to do is you want to break this seam open right here, and you can do that with your fingers if you're lucky, or you can use a small flathead screwdriver. So as you can see here, I was lucky in splitting this case, which reveals our 2032. Now when you're looking at this, the positive side is facing towards us. And be sure to stay tuned because I'll show you a couple other ways that you can replace this battery. So we'll take the old battery out, set it to the side. We'll take our brand new 2032, go ahead and pierce into it. Battery. And remember, the positive side is what faces towards you. So we'll flip it around. We have the positive side here. We'll remove this little tiny piece of plastic. Set that to the side. And now you'll put the positive side up, which is the smooth side, and you'll just go ahead, click it in, bring your key back, line up your flanges, and just press it in. You'll hear a nice little audible click. And now your key fob will work again.